ATV, zipline, cliff diving, and slide. Let's go!
Putang inang sarap.
Ano ba yung maayos? Napili ko nga itong mga activity na to kasi adventurous tayo, di ba? Kaya lumabas na tayo ng Boracay Island. What can we say, my brother? My brother. Excited din siya eh. Now guys, we're gonna try the cliff diving. Siyempre, 6 feet pero try ko walang nakalagay na orange. At feel ko nga ang no work day. And the end of our journey here outside Boracay Island. Let's now go back because we're gonna do parasailing. I'm so excited.